Yep.
Very cool.
I know how to make patterns.
That's very impressive. Well, my name's Dylan. I'm a professional Rubik's Cube artist. And today, we're creating Albert Einstein out of 1,036 Rubik's Cubes, and I'd love for your help putting it together. How's that sound?
Okay.
Alright, so I want you to solve this. All white. Well, obviously solve the whole cube, but we'll put the white side in the artwork. Sound good?
Okay, solve the whole white side?
Yeah, solve the whole thing if you want. You know how to solve the whole thing?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so solve the whole thing and let me know. It's okay. Back. You're shuffling up. You want to mix it? Alrighty, I'm going to try to race you. And very, very good. Very good. Look, I'm almost done. Oh. Here it is.
I have it.
You have it.
Please just send it to you because what happened, I framed it when you gave it to me.
You think you can reach up there? Maybe he needs some help. Would you like to help him reach up here? Yeah, all the way up there. Lift him up. We're going to go ahead and place it down in the next spot. Once you place it down, you become an official Rubik's Cube artist. Congratulations, buddy. I'd love for your autograph over here. Pick up one of these pieces, any piece you like, any color. Or you could go ahead and sign your name on that board. That's all the artists that helped you.
That was pretty fun. Now let's try to go to the games.